Hi, this is a short video to show you how to find the area and the perimeter of one of the triangles that is on page 59 in the workbook. Hang on, let me focus this. Keeps going out of focus. This is a scalene triangle, and the perimeter are the three sides that are given to us. So for the perimeter, that part's easy. It's going to be 15 plus 38 plus 27. Let's see what that is. 15 plus 38 plus 27. I'm getting 80, and I think the measurement was in millimeters. For the area, we always use 1/2 the base times the height. Now in this particular triangle, that's a little bit different because the height sits outside of the triangle. The height of this is actually going to be the 11 here. This is the height. And then the base is this part, the 27. So for this area, move this up, we'll have 1/2 27 times 11. The height always has to be perpendicular to the base, and those dotted lines are not included as part of the triangle. So let me multiply this, and I'm getting 148.5 millimeters. There's something under there. That'll be millimeters squared. Oop, sorry. There. All right. Let me know if you have other questions.